Tashi Dilek, Namaste and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to see a natural hot spring water in and around Manali. According to my knowledge, there are 3 hot spring waters in Manali. One is at Washish, another one in Kulat and another one in Manikara. Natural hot spring water is very good for health. It gives relief to the joint pain. It improves our blood circulation. It improves our skin tone, and it also helps you in burning calories. And for details, you can see my description box down below. I saw many people coming to experience the hot water. Even from the South India, I saw many people come to experience the natural hot water. And I also heard that people get relief from a long uncured sickness. And the 3 hot spring waters in and around Manali are very popular in India. Natural spring waters for the public at Washish was closed due to this pandemic. And the natural hot spring water pools at Kalat was also closed due to this Chinese virus. This video was taken before this pandemic. This video was taken at Manikara Natural Hot Spring Water, and people from all over the India came to Manikara to get benefit of natural hot spring water. The hot water there is at boiling point, and it even cooks rice in a few minutes.